Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Boya the Wifepreneur. If you're new to this channel, you're most welcome to my old tribe. Thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you the last part of our three-part series called 3 Steps to a Sellable ebook. So in today's video is the last video in this series. So if you haven't watched any of these videos before, please go and watch them now, because it will not help you watching this video if you haven't watched the first and the second, because the information is just, piling up. So you only have an idea of what we are talking about if you go and watch the other two. So the first one is positioning yourself as an expert today, and then validation, and today we're talking about the selling part or the marketing part of your ebook. So make sure you go and watch those videos first. Stop here, go and watch those videos first, and let's get into the video. Welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you how we are going to sell our ebook after we have positioned ourselves, after we have built a nice fan base with our followers on whatever platform that we are on, and then we have also validated our ebook idea. We are sure that the ebook is what people want. Then now we want to sell the ebook, right? So before I go ahead, guys, I'd like you to stop here or just pause a bit and go down to that red button down there. Please click on it, click on it, click on it. I'll really appreciate it. So many of you do watch my videos but do not want to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So guys, please subscribe to my channel. It will help me so much. With that being said, now we move on to the marketing or the production of the ebook. In this part, this is the part where we have already a cover page. Remember when we were validating our idea in the second phase or in the second step. So now in the third page we have a cover page. So what you want to do with the cover page? So with the cover page, you can go and sell your cover page. At this point, your ebook is not yet complete, but now this is the time you want to use to analyze the data or the information after your market research, which you did in your positioning yourself as an expert. In your stories, we spoke about you asking people for feedback in your stories, in the DMs, everywhere. And we also did that through the second phase in your validation, when you had your workshop and what people might have asked you questions and what and you might have seen what people actually really want you to talk about. The questions that we're asking, maybe it's things that you omitted, it's things that you thought maybe they were not important, but to them they're important. So all these are the things that you want to come and now see how you can fit them in your ebook. So that's why you don't write an ebook first without validating or without making sure that this is what your clients or this is what people actually want. So analyze your data, analyze your feedback, then you now start. So now you properly structure your ebook. What will start, what will be on the middle, and what will end. So in the meantime, while you're doing that, girl, you go either on Instagram, whatever social media, but I'm more familiar with Instagram. That's why I talk more about Instagram. And if you want to learn, actually I have a whole playlist on Instagram, business growth. So I'll leave it also in the description below. So that's why I talk about Instagram. I'm more familiar with Instagram than other social media. So it's Instagram and social media. Those are my two social media's platform. Like I said, you have your cover page, then you take it to Instagram. It could be in your feed, it could be in your stories. You show the people that this is the ebook that is coming. The ebook is going to help you from A to B, or it's going to help you with these struggles that you have. Then you can list the struggles, and then you also share with them the promises, or you share with them the promise, or what are they going to get after they have bought your ebook, after reading your ebook. Those are the things that you want to keep on your sales page. So at this point, after doing that, it's so important that you can also use email marketing. So email marketing is a very important tool that you can use to market your ebook before it's actually sold out. How do you do that? You go in ConvertKit, you go in MailChimp, you go on Podia, you go on any other email marketing software or tool that you know. You go sign up, design a landing page. If you don't want to do that, you can also decide to create a mini landing page in your Instagram that you can link to your bio in your Instagram. And I have another video, I'll link it up here or leave it in the description, where I teach you how to design a mini landing page for your Instagram. So with that being said, you design your landing page in whatever email marketing tool. Then you can tell them this is the cover. Then you can decide to put the cover page of the book and tell them this is the book that's going to talk about XYZ, and you benefit from it by doing by the end of reading this book you'll be moved from A to B. And then you just say if you want any news about the launching of this ebook, please leave your email address or subscribe to this list or whatever. You just put it there, and then you just put the words coming soon. So for those that are really interested, that have missed maybe through your email, through your classes, your workshop, your webinar, they may come now to this page, leave their email address so that you can notify them when the launch comes. So this is a good way also to collect and build your email list. So the second thing that you also want to consider when you are now at this stage of producing and marketing and selling your ebook is to make sure that you're going to look for a tool or a software that is reliable for better transactions, you know, so that your client don't get scammed, or maybe people want to buy but the link you are sending to them is not working. And try to find a reliable software that you can sell your ebook on. Another way that you can actually market or sell your ebook is by going on Instagram again. And then on Instagram you can decide, you know, you leave a free content there, and then in the caption you can say, no, I have an ebook coming up, it's going to cost this much, so if you buy it today you can get it. As you can say, no, the ebook is going to cost $20 when it's published, but you can buy it today for $4 if you are reading this post. This is for you for 24 hours. So whoever read that post within that 24 hours, they may be able to buy that ebook at that specific price. You just direct them to the link in the bio. You just direct them to the landing page so that they can actually buy this ebook. So this ebook, we are selling it right now before it's actually being published. So you just give yourself maybe 2-3 weeks, depending on how fast you are or depending on how free you are. You say, no, the ebook will launch in the next 3 weeks, then the ebook will launch on this specific month, you know. So in the meantime, you are just selling, you're selling. You write a powerful post on your feed, you give a powerful caption, you give them a coupon, you tell them, no, if you use this coupon you get 50% discount, you get 75% off. And so by the time you complete or by the time you publish your ebook, you have made money before it's actually out. So those are the 3 steps that I wanted to share with you guys in the 3-part series called 3 Steps to Selling to a Sellable Ebook. So I hope you enjoyed it, I hope you liked it. So leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you in my next video.